Hi guys, this is Sogam. Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet Irish Crochet Lace applique. This video is dedicated to you. So let's see together. Start the slip knot and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Insert your hook in first chain and make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Make 10 single crochets in this ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, chain 1, and make a single crochet in next stitch, back loop only. Make 2 single crochets in second stitch, back loop only. Make a single crochet and make 2 single crochets. You should have 15 single crochets in this round. 14 and 15. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, back loop only. Chain 1 and make a single crochet in first single crochet. Make a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14 and 15. Make a slip stitch in first single crochet, back loop only. Chain 1 and repeat. Make a single crochet in first stitch and make a single crochet in each stitch until the end of the round. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. At the end, make a slip stitch in first single crochet. The work is in the shape of the ball, so you should have 15 stitches. Now chain 12. So for crocheting the first bottle, start the chain 12. Skip first chain and make 2 single crochets in next 2 chains. Please crochet back loop only. Make 2 half double crochets in next 2 chains. Make 3 double crochets in next 3 chains. 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 half double crochets in next 2 chains. Please crochet back loop only. Make 2 single crochets in next 2 chains. Make a slip stitch in same stitch. Chain 1 and turn. Skip first stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Please crochet back loop only. 1, make a single crochet in each stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and make a single crochet in a skipped chain from the previous row. Chain 5, yarn over. This is my previous row. Please crochet in the loops of the previous 2 rows. Skip first loop and make a double crochet in second loop. Then chain 2. Skip next 2 loops and make a double crochet in third loop. Then chain 2. Skip next 2 loops and make a double crochet in third loop. Then chain 2. Skip next 2 loops and make a double crochet in third loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. At the end, chain 2 and make a slip stitch in next stitch. And turn your work. Make 2 single crochets in first space. Make a single crochet and double crochet. Make 2 single crochets in next space and make a single crochet in this stitch. Make 2 single crochets in next space and make a single crochet in next stitch. Make 2 single crochets in next space and make a single crochet in next stitch. Make 3 single crochets in the space of 5 chains and make a single crochet in third chain. Okay, make 4 single crochet in third chain. Now I'm going to crochet chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip first chain and make a single crochet in next chain. Please crochet back loop only. Make a single crochet in next chain. Make a half double crochet in next chain. Make a double crochet in last chain. Make 8 double crochets in next 8 stitches. Please crochet back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, and 8. Make 2 single crochets in next 2 stitches and turn. Skip first stitch and make a single crochet in next stitch. Make a single crochet in each stitch. 1, 2, 3. Please crochet back loop only. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. I'm going to crochet chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. Skip first loop and make a double crochet in next loop. Chain 2, skip next 2 loops and make a double crochet in third loop. Chain 2, skip next 2 loops and make a double crochet in third loop. Chain 2, skip next 2 loops and make a double crochet in third loop. Chain 2, skip next 2 loops and make a double crochet in last loop. Chain 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 2, skip first stitch and make a double crochet in next stitch. Please crochet back loop only. Chain 2, skip next stitch and make a double crochet in second stitch. Chain 2 and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Turn your work, make 2 single crochets in first space, make a single crochet in first stitch. Make 2 single crochets in next stitch, make a single crochet in next stitch. Make 2 single crochets in each space and make a single crochet in each stitch. Make 2 single crochets and make a single crochet. Make 3 single crochets in the space of 5 chains and make 4 single crochet in third chain. Okay, crochet 4 single crochets in last space and turn. Skip first stitch and make a slip stitch in next stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch again. Make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches. Please crochet back loop only. Make 3 half double crochets in next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. Make 7 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Make a double crochet again in same stitch. Okay, make a double crochet again in same stitch. Make 2 double crochets in next 2 stitches. 9 and 10. Make 3 half double crochets in next 3 stitches and make 3 single crochets in next 3 stitches. Skip last stitch and make a slip stitch in same stitch. Make a slip stitch in next stitch, chain 12 and repeat again. Okay, skip first chain and make a single crochet in next 2 chains and repeat. My first petal is ready. I crocheted 5 petals. At the end, make a slip stitch in first stitch, chain 1 and make a reverse single crochet all around your petals. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Insert your hook in previous stitch and pull loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Please crochet reverse single crochets all around your 5 petals. I crocheted reverse single crochets all around. Now chain 1. I'm going to crochet in these loops of the middle of the flower. Make a reverse single crochet in the middle of the flower. Okay, make a reverse single crochet in these loops of the middle of the flower. Make a reverse single crochet in each loops. Make a reverse single crochet all around. I crocheted all around. At the end, make a slip stitch opposite to this stitch. Chain 1, get the yarn off, then hide your yarn. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel for more amazing content. Many thanks for the thumbs up. Glad you found it useful. See you soon. Bye.